Hi friends, this is Suvarna Keshav with Mr. Ninada Bellipadi, ready to take you all on a flight to the bird kingdom. Mr. Ninada, a software engineer by profession, is a wildlife and bird photography enthusiast and hobbyist. He has won various accolades for his amazing captures. So what are we waiting for? Come on, let us experience the world of birds. Asian open-billed stork is a large wading bird in the stork family. It is found mainly in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It is greyish or white with glossy black wings and tail. They make long-distance movement in response to weather and food availability. The Eurasian spoonbill is a wading bird of the IBIS and spoonbill family. It is found mainly in United Kingdom, Spain, Japan and North Africa. Most birds migrate to the tropics in winter. They prefer shallow wetlands with muddy, clay, fine sandy beds and marshy places for inhabitation. The painted stork is a large wader in the stork family, which is found in the wetlands of plains of tropical Asia and Indian subcontinent. They forage in flocks in shallow waters along rivers or lakes. They nest in colonies on trees and are not migratory. The spot-billed pelican is a member of the pelican family. It breeds in southern Asia from India to east of Indonesia. It lives in large lakes. In some areas, these birds nest in large colonies close to human inhabitations. I thank Mr. Ninada for being so gracious enough to share his lovely, stunning photographs with Suvarna's Hobby World. Hope this video was informative, friends. Please do like, share and subscribe to Suvarna's Hobby World. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.